From here, your page is not 100% correct. With your page done, this is your page, your one pager for Letabo and Tuli. It is done. You don't need to make any more changes here, but you need to go and make sure that a few other things are set up properly for your site to look good on the front end. One of that is the featured image for your page. If this page of yours is shared on social media, you want to make sure at least there is a relevant image that will appear and one that you chose. Everything's saved. We go to the exit in the top right corner and select exit to WordPress, and it takes us to the page. And over here, we are going to set the featured image. The inspector on the right, or the properties panel on the right, set featured image. And we really need to use an image that will tell us everything about the site. This is a brand of her, so we want something of her, and we want to show what she does. And I think this one over here that we had used earlier is perfect for that. And we set the featured image. Make sure you save it.